Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this photo design tools platform, which is Canva and Remini. So to get started with the in-depth review and breakdown about these two platforms, which is Canva and Remini. So Canva is a complete design suite used for creating social media posts, videos, presentation, flyers and more. It includes a powerful AI tools like magic design, background removal, and text-to-image generation. Canva is ideal for creators, marketers, and small teams who want easy access to professional quality visual with drag-and-drop simplicity. So talking about Remini AI, on the other hand, is an AI photo enhancer known for restoring low quality or blurring image into high resolution portrait. It's especially useful for face enhancement, photo restoration, and image upscaling. It's best for photographers, influencers, or anyone needing a crisp published image, especially on mobile. And here's the real conclusion. So you can easily go or choose Canva if you need a versatile design tools with template and AI features for creating all types of visual content. And also you can go with Remini AI if your main focus is photo quality and enhancement, but Canva is the better all-rounded, and Remini is a specialist for sharpening and improving photo clarity. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms, and if you find the review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.